I feel your breathing turning cold. The story slipping from its hold. Your hand is near but not the same, as if it barely knows my name.